Hello ladies and gentle ladies, welcome back to another what are we doing today? Yes, railroad. We're doing railroad today. Okay, I lost my train of thought a little bit, but yes, we're going to be doing railroad today, and we have a special guest. We have Mr. Frosty Flipper, or Alex I should say. Yes, gaming Runa, you are a gentle lady. That is correct. Everyone is either a lady or a gentle lady. So yeah, today we're going to be teaching Alex how to make an inspection, so it's going to be very interesting. Now, only problem is you're not really able to see his screen share. I didn't really consider this because it's a bit small. Sure. Okay, we can do that temporarily. Well, I can do this, right? Yeah, I can get my mouse on your screen. Okay. Sure, we can do that. Does that even work nowadays? Okay. I think you have to install it. No. But okay, we'll do that. 1 second. I need to go CMD. Yeah. Sure. It is rather strange. Okay, we're gonna pick an easy one to do today, by the way, guys. Because we don't want to start anything too complicated. Yeah. Okay, we might have to do a starter one. Sure. Okay. Okay. Hello, Lomor, welcome to the stream. Okay, yeah, we're gonna do a starter one because all the easy ones are a bit too involved. Conditional expression with identical branches. Sure. Well, use the same result. Yeah, sure, you could do that. You could do that. No, you don't check it off until you've done it. We're on your screen. What do you mean? But you just found it. What do you mean? Wait, we're doing that one? No, we're not doing that one. Oh, they can't hear you.
Oh, you've been talking to yourself the entire...
I had it muted. I forgot to unmute it. Sorry, guys. Okay, Alex is here. I can't believe I forgot to unmute you, bro.
Bro, I've been... Okay.
Okay, he's been talking to chat the whole time, so...
Yeah, and you guys haven't heard. I was asking if CSC is computer science engineering, and then I was confirming to gaming RuneNav that we're not working on modding because Industria is temporarily delayed. Yeah. I was confused. She said, please apply, and I was like, I already have applied. Like, what?
Yeah. Okay, it's fine.
Okay, it's fine. It's fine. We're... Hello. It's fine. Okay, so you guys can hear me now. So... I'm going to I'm gonna be quiet, Ryan.
The quiet?
Should I call you Turty Worty, or should I call you like what do I call you? Should I call you
Don't
Turty
call me
Worty?
Brian, bro. Don't call me Turty Worty.
Okay.
I don't want to be called that.
But people in stream might be a little bit confused. You know?
I doubt it.
Okay. Well, for people in chat, this is. So, okay, yeah, this is Ryan, who I'm talking to right now, also known as Turty Worty, but he didn't like being called Turty Worty, so, you know. Yeah, okay, so... Okay, core conditional expression... Do I just write it out, but with core at the beginning?
Pretty much.
Okay, I can type, guys, this is fine. But this is so long on my days. Okay. Inspection. Okay. I think that's written correctly. I might have to rename it. Let me just check. Condition expression integrated condition inspection. Okay, it's fine. So I can kind of just copy this, right? I mean, okay. I mean, I kind of know what to do roughly now. So I just need to create an ID.
Uh-huh.
Okay, this is the kind of time when I really would appreciate having AI helping me. Because I'm going to have to write this out now.
Okay, wait, no, wait, no, don't do that one. But I thought we were on the same page here.
We're not on the same page here? Okay.
No.
Which...
That is not the one I want to do.
And I know I am not Alex from those mods. That is not me.
No.
I'm not... I'm nowhere near that good. Okay, which one are we meant to be doing?
Okay, I've sent you the one you're doing.
Okay. But I thought we were doing the easy one. Okay. I thought we were doing the easy one. Because I actually read it out loud to you, bro. Okay, fine.
No, it's too complicated. Okay, wait, can you guys still see a stream? You can, okay.
With identical branches. Okay, so we're seeing me in the past. Really weird. Okay. There. I've renamed it. Okay, so I'm going to have to rewrite this out again, aren't I? Okay, so we have the ID. Okay, I'm actually going to put this on a separate monitor like I did last time, so I can actually read it. Let me just pull it over here. Okay. So then we need a list of rules.
So Industria is currently on pause, basically, because I'm looking. Well, I'm going to be looking for an artist soon. So it's paused kind of indefinitely until I get one, because I don't want to have tons of work for the artist to do whenever I get the artist. So yeah, that's what's happening with Industria at the moment.
This is actually great, Ryan, because I can code while you're just waffling, or not waffling, while you're answering chat. You know, I can like do shit while you're answering chat, and while you're thinking about things, I can answer chat. It's great.
Yep.
We should do this more often, man. You know, I should be like a commentator in the background in your streams, answering chat and shit.
I don't know about that.
Okay, bye. was worth a shot.
I mean, I probably won't ask Oritech, or I mean, I was considering asking one of the modelers for Oritech, actually.
How much would that cost though?
But the problem is I need to find someone who's actually interested in Industria, not just some random artist, because the theme needs to be consistent. So
Sorry to interrupt, but is this a warning? Is this a warning or is this an error?
No, it's a warning.
Okay. Okay. Also, I don't know what the message is.
You could always write the test first.
I could do test-driven development. Ooh.
Yep.
That would be kind of fancy. Should we do that, chat? Chat, should I do test-driven development? Let's get some chat engagement going.
Bro, you're not going to get any chat engagement. Let's be real.
Okay, fine. Okay. But test-driven development's kind of cringe.
Okay, but then you know what you're working towards if you have tests.
That is what I was thinking. That might not be a terrible idea. Yeah.
So today we're working on adding an inspection, basically, to the how do I even describe this? To the diagnostics railroad. So
basically it pops up saying, you know, hey, this is an error, or in this case, hey, it's a warning.
yeah.
So you know in the sidebar when it goes like this is you know, you've not used this variable or that kind of thing. Oh, okay, this is going to be fun. Do you have a copy and paste for what railroad it's around or not yet?
No. Wait, let me see. I'll test it.
Like a bot you need to have a bot
Exclamation
command.
mark railroad. Does it work?
Do you have a bot?
Nope. Okay. Okay, Railroad is basically a Minecraft modding IDE that I'm working on. So it's an IDE specifically for Minecraft modding. So inspections are basically the way of telling the user, okay, something's wrong. So it could be an error, it could just be a warning, or it could be information.
Yeah, so in this case here, I've got 2 errors. You can see the red underline. This is an inspection, right? So eventually there will be an inspection that is called annotations are not allowed here, I'm assuming, right?
Yeah,
Eventually.
that's probably already a thing.
That is probably already a thing, because it seems pretty simple. But yeah, so like these are what I'm making. So the red underline is what I'd be making. But in this case, it's a yellow underline because it would be a warning. But yeah, so you might have to explain to me, Ryan, what this actually is, because I have no clue what conditional expression with identical branches is. Should I know what that is?
Okay, basically, it's just easier if I send this to you in DMs, I suppose.
Okay.
Okay, like this is something that would throw a warning.
Because the else and the else, because the if and the else are the same.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so we need to test. Wait, this seems pretty simple then, right? We just test if they are the same, test if they aren't the same, right?
Yeah.
Is that it? Okay. So, oh wait, no, I need to figure out how much I'm gonna write this.
Yeah, so for those who didn't quite get that, basically what we're going to have is we're going to have a ternary statement, right? And if the if result, I don't know what you actually call the if result, but if basically both the results of the ternary are the exact same thing, then it should throw a warning. Yeah.
What I typed in the IDE. So this would throw a warning because value and value are the same, and this is obviously ternary. So you're saying if flag, so if this bit's true, then it's returning that or that, but because they're the same. You know, yeah. I mean, this one seems pretty simple.
You're right.
This one seems almost more simple than this one because there's only 2 tests, right?
Well,
maybe the programming, no, but the testing, yes. It's just like all I need to do is just kind of copy this and then.
Hello, 7410. Welcome to the stream.
Well, actually, I need to copy this properly, don't I? Like that. It's what was it called? Oh my gosh, what did I name it? It's conditional expression with identical branches. Yeah. Okay.
So it's like a try
Uh,
except. No, it's,
no, it's like an if
basically
else.
yeah, if else basically.
It's an if else. Yeah. Also, sorry if you don't want to keep interrupting you, Ryan. So I'm sorry if I interrupt you. I don't want to answer for what you want to answer. But... Okay, so is this okay? What am I doing wrong?
But it's fine, ignore it.
Is it? Oh, is it because is this not added it yet? Is that why? Because I'm doing test first. I see.
Yes.
Okay. I see. Okay, that's fine. I was panicking then for no reason. So it's just that, right?
Yeah, that'll
that
be
needs
one
to
of
be
them.
true. Do I make that true from the get-go?
Yeah, basically.
Okay. And then I just copy this.
I mean,
Yeah, that's how it's working. So what then? This is my screen share, and then Ryan is just capturing the screen share window, which is almost like a monitor. Yeah. Okay, so I need to actually continue writing this, right? Cortone, or is that okay? Cortone is the same branch. Is that okay? As a name?
Yeah.
I don't know how
no,
verbose you want.
But it's fine. We can
I need
fix
to
it
say,
later.
yeah, I can fix it later. That's fine. And then, oh yeah, what do we do for value? What do you make value in this case? Do we make it true?
I don't think it really matters what it actually is. Because the warning should be omitted even if it errors.
Does it not care if this isn't actually a thing when it tests it? Like, because value didn't exist in this code block, right?
Just do a string or something. Or yeah.
Or do I like actually create values then? So string value equals A.
Yeah.
And then string, or I can just do like A. String B equals B. And then I can do A, like that. And then that should be A and B, wouldn't it? Wait. No, these are methods, aren't they? That run. Oh no, it isn't. Oh no, it isn't because it returned the string. Yeah. If I make that return the string, that'd be fine. And that'd be A and B. And then this would be A and A. Okay. Cool. I'm guessing that's all I need, right? Or do I need any more than this?
Yeah.
So then this should assert true, I think. Is it true? What's the top one true, bottom one false, yeah? Or am I being stupid?
I think there's an easier way to do this, you know.
What, with the tests?
Yeah.
Can I just make that true? Like this? And then make it a boolean?
No, I would just do like... Wait, which one is this? This different branch. I would just do...
We really do need to set up code together, don't we?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, if you want to try and set that up, I'll just hide your screen share.
It's fine, I've got it up on another window, it's fine. I've got the settings on another window. So you shouldn't be able to see it. Also, it's pop-up anyway, so you might say anyway, because it's pop-up and that doesn't work. Unless you want to try and figure out how to do it on your IDE while I'm trying to set this up. Yeah, that's what
Let's do what?
that's smart. It's fine, I'm just watching the stream, but it's delayed. Okay.
What do you think about the create aeronautics? I think it's actually very cool. Like, I'm not a huge create fan generally, but I will say I think it's very cool. And I imagine was not exactly easy to do. I mean, I don't know how they've even done it. Presumably it's just their own physics engine. Like, they must have made their own physics engine or something. So obviously, basically what it lets you build, like, I mean, you can build anything, like aircraft, you can build cars, you can build all these different things. 1 second, I think I need to hide my screen before opening this link.
Yeah, I've installed it as a plugin, by the way. Sorry to interrupt, but I've installed the plugin, and you might have to install it too. I'm not sure if you have it or not. But... Wait, is that? Oh, okay. I need to stop like unmuting the stream.
Yeah, I pressed join and nothing happened. Okay, let me try this.
What do I have to approve it?
No, it's fine. I think I just need to do that.
I've given you. Oh, I've given you full access, by the way. So like, don't start digging through my files, please. I'd not be happy with that if you did that.
Oh god, I have to install JetBrains Toolbox for this? That's crazy. Okay, fine. This is going to take a second, chat, so give me a second.
Do you want me to just keep coding it while you do that? Or can you? I guess you can't screen share, can you? Because you're having to.
Sure, I guess. There you go.
Yeah, you can't say wild shit now no more. 5 years is quite a while, I can't lie. That's kind of crazy. Okay, so okay, I don't know what other tests we need to do, but for now, should I actually add these to the thing? Okay. So that needs to be okay. I need to actually make the method for that. Would be helpful. Oh, actually, I need to make this implement. I mean, which is also actually why that isn't working. I'm guessing. Yeah, let's fix the test hours. Okay, it's fine.
Bro, it has to re-download IntelliJ. This is crazy.
You're having fun though, right?
It's terribly coded. Like, why would you design it this way?
I mean, we can use code together if you really want to, but like this is
But I've
official
literally
IntelliJ.
almost already downloaded it now. So
Okay, I thought it would be easier this way, but apparently not.
nope.
Yeah, I mean, I've heard of it because I think didn't you send the link about it in the server, Ryan, about the
Yeah, I sent the
create
trailer,
thing?
I think.
You sent the trailer and I watched it and was like, damn. I'm not really a create kind of guy, I can't lie. But it looks interesting. I like hard raw tech, like not like gears and stuff.
I mean, I think
So-
the thing about Create Aeronautics is like it looks cool, but I actually don't think it has much practicality. Like, when are you ever gonna actually make a car? You know?
Well,
like,
I mean, can you
why?
set up like automatic routes between different locations with like an air thing, so you can transport resources across like ravines and stuff?
Maybe?
Like that would be cool if you
But
could
you need to have
fix it
the
into a
chunks
workflow.
loaded, so it's kind of
Yeah.
impractical anyway.
Well, does it not load the chunks when it goes through them?
Maybe, but I doubt it.
Because if no, then it's just, oh, this is fun. Let's try out for a bit, and then you just never use it ever again. Like that seems kind of how it would be.
I mean, I know they showed the one of like a massive drill, so I guess maybe you can use it for mining, or like terraforming, I suppose.
Oh, I'm being an idiot. Okay, so it's fine.
Okay, 1 second. I will just
So
write
it's
that for a second.
conditional branches. Okay, and then yeah, okay. You guys can't see what I'm doing, but it's fine. Okay, I'm gonna. Okay, so for those who didn't see, all I've done is I've just copied the rules to there, and I've copied the ID to there, and then I've added this method from the other inspection file here, just copied it across just so that I can delete this and then rework it so that it's renamed properly, and then yeah. But I don't know how you like program and stream for this long. It feels like my brain would just die after like an hour or two. I can't lie.
Easy, man.
Especially because you have to like just if you're streaming, you can't like take a break or you can't stop and go. You know. Also, we can't see you anymore, by the way.
I'm aware.
Okay. I don't know. I just looked over and saw chat and no.
Oh shit. I'm messing
did you-
things up. It's fine. Don't worry about it.
Okay. So okay. Fine. I don't care what the code is. I'm trusting it's you because no one else can see the link. So, hello. Where's your cursor, man? Where are you?
I'm not in
Oh,
yet, bro.
okay. You have full access, by the way. So, yeah. Oh, you can step up window. That's weird. Okay, fine. So, this is report conditional expression with identical branches. So now you can just so now you can just screen share your own IDE, right? Yeah. Rather than having to screen share the stream. Okay, that should be right. Hey, and bam, are you in a t-shirt now? Have you taken your onesie off?
Dressing gown.
Same difference. Damn.
Not really.
On Zoomer Island. I see. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm getting distracted again.
Right.
Okay, so so the testing thing. What else do I need for the testing thing?
Okay, let me find the tests.
Have you made... So this should be true and false. I think.
Okay, where are
And
we?
this would
We're
be
here.
true. You can just follow me, man. Why don't you follow me?
Okay, this might work, but I think this is a bad idea.
Okay.
Also, this needs to return a boolean. So.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, I would say we just have boolean flag and then boolean value, because then you can just do flag value
Yeah, that makes sense.
and then do the same here.
Is there a reason why they should be the same? Like, why the code? Is there not a better way to do it than have the same code twice? Like, can you not have this code block somewhere and then, like, call it? I don't know. Like, have like a variable and then pass in two different things, rather than having it repeated twice in the test. Or does it not really matter?
It doesn't really matter.
Okay. Fine.
Okay.
Okay.
That's much better.
So okay, but then how do you pass? Does it not matter? You don't pass in things, do you?
You can even do like that.
Bro is just okay. Okay. So these should also be in, so I'm guessing then, right? Okay. So
Okay.
I'm reading chat. Okay. Yeah. My God. Okay. So do I need any other tests? Sorry, or is this enough? I don't.
It'll be fine for now.
Okay. I don't want to have to edit stuff in a PR. Are we gonna come back to it afterwards? Okay. So, God. Now for the fun bit. So. Oh, I see why you picked this now, because you got a statement, right? I'm guessing that whole line is a statement, the return bit, right?
Yeah.
So then we just need to check if it is a ternary.
Uh-huh.
And then if it is a ternary, we need to get the last two. Oh my God, hold on. I have to bring up my notes again. Hold on. Let me bring up my notes again before I go crazy. The expressions, that's it. I remember the word now. The two expressions, the two name expressions, value and value.
Yeah.
Or I guess in this test case it's value A and value B. Bro, you can't see what I'm doing. Bro, follow me, man. If I explain stuff, I can explain it and you can follow me. Yeah. Okay. And no, this is not C++. This is Java. Okay, so okay. Now I've got to actually process what I just said. So okay, did I just really open the same file I was in before? I think I did. Okay, this is fine. So yeah. Okay. Let me look at what I did before, because it might take me a second to remember what I did. So it's kind of just this, right? I'm still need to loop over every single syntax node, right?
Yeah.
And then
But you don't want to find
Okay.
unary expressions.
no, obviously not. I need to find. Okay, so what is the type of expression that's like? Okay, well, how do you identify ternary? Because you've got the question mark and the semicolon. You've got to check for both, or is it just the semicolon? Or not semicolon, question mark. I mean.
You just have to find the children. But we'll go through that. That's irrelevant. We can do that in a minute.
Okay. So we're looping over those. Okay, but what type is it then that we're trying to find? Because these are the children, no?
It's a conditional expression.
Oh, I see. So is that okay? So which part is the conditional expression?
The
Is it
entire
the
thing.
entire? So what?
Come back to the
in
test.
Okay, I think I know what you mean. So like this bit here, flag question mark. That bit there, that's the.
Yeah.
That's the.
So this entire
expression.
thing is a return statement.
Yes.
And then
that
this
bit's the
is
expression
the conditional expression.
with the trivia at the end.
Yeah.
Are you surprised that I remember the trivia from last time?
Yes.
Because this is stuff that I care about, man. So I remember stuff that I care about. Okay, so this makes it easier then, because this is just finding the expression. So it already knows that bit's an expression. So you don't need to go, like does this line have a question mark in it? Because you already know it's a conditional expression.
Yeah.
Wait, isn't that meant to be ternary expression?
No.
Oh, okay.
They're not called ternaries, technically.
Then not? Okay. Wait, so is this the same as an if?
No.
Okay. So wait, what's an if then, in terms of expressions?
It's not an expression, it's a statement. It's an if statement.
Oh. Okay. It's fine. I'm sure I'll understand that in the future. So this is the entire expression. So the node is the entire thing, right? So the flag question mark. Okay, you know what? Let me go into here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just copy this multi-line so that I don't forget what I'm trying to do. Because if I'm doing test driven, okay, you know what? Actually, better idea. I'll just bring it up on the monitor.
Wait, why don't you just... Okay.
Why don't I just what?
Why don't you just do this?
Oh yeah, I could do that, I guess.
Can I not? Oh, you can't. Okay.
It's fine. I've got a second monitor. It's fine. No problemo. It's fine. So, okay. So we've got the node. Okay, this is actually kind of hard because I also want to have what I did yesterday up as well. You know what? This is fine. I can just bring this out and put that on my left monitor. There we go. This is like, okay, so every single monitor's got code on now. This is great. So it's going to be so hard for me to do. So if okay, so this is the entire node. So do we need to check if the operator token is a question mark?
No, because it's a conditional expression, which means it has to have a question mark.
Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah. I should have known that. Okay,
well, so... let me try and guide you here a little bit, because otherwise I don't think you're going to get this. Okay. So in a conditional expression, you have three things, right? You have the condition, you have the then, and then you have the else, right? So flag value A, value B. Okay, each of those are an expression, right?
Yeah, because they're name expressions.
Well, in this case, yes, they are name expressions, but they could be any expressions.
They could be a method call, or they could be a method invocation.
Or any other number of things, right?
Yeah.
So you need to find the expressions that are children of this conditional expression.
Yeah. So to loop over them?
Well, normally yes, but I saved some time, so we can just do context dot.
Alright, goodbye gaming, Arunav.
Direct expression children, there you go.
Okay. Yeah.
Then,
okay, hold on. Give me a second to comprehend this. So you've got a list of the nodes, list of expressions, direct expression, children. Did you make this? When did you make this?
A very long
ages ago
time
you
ago.
Okay, so you didn't make it just for this. You already had it ages ago. Okay.
Uh-huh.
So then, okay, I see. So then this holds. Does that hold the return as well? Or is it, okay, no, because just the expression. Does that hold flag? Does that hold flag? Does that also hold question mark? Is
No,
that a
because that's not an expression.
okay? So it's just flag, value, value. Yeah.
Yeah.
Or whatever they are. Okay. So. But the problem is that we won't know. Because if flag is a method that returns a boolean, how do we know? No, if value A and value B, sorry, are method invocations, but they're both. But if they call something that returns it, then do we have to check if that return value is the same?
If they call the same method, then
It doesn't matter.
it doesn't matter.
But do we also have to check if the parameters for that method are the same?
It needs to be exactly the same.
I guess there's a way we can just check if they're equal, like the entire thing.
Yes, but you need to start by actually getting value A and value B.
But you already have that, right? Those are just parts of the expression list.
Okay, but so is flag, and you don't care about flag.
But flag's the first part. We know that, right?
Right, so you need to get the second and third part then.
So do you want me to actually separate them out into like nodes?
Well, yeah, you're not going to try and access the list every single time.
Do I also need the condition as well? We don't, do we? So how do we name this? Well, isn't it value A or value B, would it?
Okay, well, it's the then and the else.
Yeah.
Oh. Uh-oh.
Okay, then. Oh gosh, no. Okay, I need to.
Okay, my entire PC just froze, but that's fine.
Your stream's frozen. Oh, we're back. Okay, your stream's back. Okay, it's fine. So it's 1, and then syntax node else equals.
Okay, let's see. Oh, yeah.
Oh, it can't be else because else is a keyword. Oh my god.
Right, call it then expression. And else expression.
So why didn't you name? Why didn't you put this as expers?
Because that's weird.
But expers fine, singular. Okay.
Yes.
So weird. Okay, so can we just? Okay, so then we just do right if. Here we go, guys. I'm gonna be so smart here. Then exp equals else exp. Then we return. Flipping, I don't know. I don't have the thing up anymore. Reporter, that's it. Reporter dot. This is wrong, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that's fine, right?
No.
Okay.
Okay.
How do we check if they're the same?
Okay. Well, that's a good question. So. Okay, the problem is an expression can have children, right?
Yeah.
So...
Yeah, because you could have the name expression be part. Wait. So yeah, because the method invocation expressions children would, because it would have a name expression as a child, right? For the method name.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
So you're going to have to make a method to do this. Okay. Very important question, I suppose. Do you know what recursion is?
Kind of. Like you can have like infinite recursion, isn't it? Where it like keeps looping over the same method. I don't know, something like that.
Yeah. So recursion is when a method calls itself.
Yeah.
So
okay.
This is quite complicated.
Do I have to make notes here? It's gonna be notes required.
No. Okay, I'm gonna start you off. Yeah, because then you can figure it out from there, I think.
Okay. You know I was already gonna make this method, right?
Yes, but you need to
Oh, so I need
understand.
to get the tree. I need to get the. Yeah, I need to get the expression tree. Okay.
Okay. And then
Left and right.
well, you could call it A and B or whatever. It doesn't really matter.
One or two.
Sure.
No, no. Okay. Oh, are we making like a like that, like those methods that you make when you're making objects to check if they're the same?
Yeah, kind of.
Do you know what I mean?
You mean the equals method, presumably?
But then you've also got like for hash code and stuff, right? It's like that.
Yeah.
It's like those kind of methods, but you're in the equals one. Okay, yeah. Bro is just writing code for me. I thought you were meant to be teaching me, bro.
Wait, you will in a second.
Okay. Are these all the easy ones that I would know?
Yeah. Well, they're not super important ones. Well, they are, but like, not really.
So when you're checking if left equals right, how would that ever occur? Is it
What if the
straight up?
left is the same as exactly the same as the right?
So is that like if they're just the same method, if they're the same method invocation?
Yeah.
Exactly.
I mean, in theory,
Okay.
this would probably never actually happen, but that's besides the point.
Oh wait, is that like to do with like object reference and stuff like that?
Yeah.
Okay. So if the object reference is the exact same for both things you're checking, then save a tiny bit of processing power and just say it's true. Okay.
Yeah, which the compiler can then optimize for us.
Thanks, compiler.
Okay, so yeah, and then this one's pretty. Yeah, these are pretty obvious. Okay, so
well, I mean, this is different because this is the ID. So what's the ID of an expression?
well, it's the kind.
Oh,
the ID of the kind.
Oh, so if they're I see. So if they're not so if they're both not the same type of expression, then obviously they're not the same expression.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because if one's a method invocation and the other one is like.
Okay, so it's like if this was like get name, and then value B is like Jeff.
Yeah.
Then they're not the same expression type, so they're not going to be the same. Yeah. Okay. See, I'm getting it, bro. It's making sense.
Okay.
Which is actually thanks to yesterday. But yeah.
Good. Okay, so the next thing you want to do in here is you want to see if they're tokens. So did I teach you what a token is?
No. Wait.
I don't think I did.
No, you told me trivia, statements, expressions. That's it. And operators.
Okay, so the other thing that exists then, you might want to write this down then. Okay. The other thing you have is tokens.
Yeah.
Which are, I think they're technically expressions, but like, wait, let me check before I tell you that they are.
But the thing with tree is just like you teaching me Java at this point, or teaching me programming, because I'm guessing that all languages, or a lot of languages will have statements. A lot of them will have.
They all do.
Expressions. They all do. Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, so even like assembly is statements and expressions.
Yeah.
What about bytecode?
Well,
no, okay.
Yes, but it's not. Bytecode is still a language, you know.
Well, yeah.
You could write bytecode technically, even though you'd be absolutely insane to do so.
And it'd be really inefficient, I'm guessing, because the compiler writes it probably more efficient than you do.
Yep. Okay. Okay, so a token is basically like a character, kind of. So, okay, for example, right, we have our return flag, question mark, value A, colon, value B, right? So the question mark is a token, and the colon is a token.
Okay. So this conditional expression checks the tokens.
Well, that's how it determines it's a conditional expression, but yes.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So what you need to do in here is you need to figure out if the left and right are both tokens. Because if they are, then you can massively optimize this. Like, you can make it a lot faster.
I don't understand. You're saying that if value A and value B are tokens?
Yeah.
So is true and false, so are they also tokens?
No.
So in what case would they both be tokens?
Okay, well, I guess the other thing to note is that trivia is also a token. All trivia is a token as well.
And numbers tokens?
No, numbers are expressions.
Okay, so in what case would they both be tokens? Give me an example when they're both tokens.
Well, in theory, they would never be. But they could be.
Well, give me an example of when they could be then.
Well, they wouldn't be, but they could be.
Okay.
You have to account for everything, bro. That's how this
That doesn't
works.
make any sense then. It doesn't make any sense then. I don't know what I'm checking for. You know, I don't know what scenario I'm checking for. You know, we're doing test-driven development, right? We know what we're checking for, and that's what we're writing the code to do. But I don't know what I'm checking for. Because I don't understand how. Because you couldn't have flipping, you know, that and that, like, because that would flip an error, wouldn't it? Like,
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean,
are you saying that? No, but this is just for Java. This is just Java inspections, right? Of these all language expressions.
no, these are
you
Java
have to write-
expressions.
Are you gonna have to write inspections for other languages?
Eventually.
You're
But
gonna
not for
write
Kotlin,
some.
hopefully, so that's fine.
You're gonna have to. Okay, so JSON. You're gonna do JSON inspections.
But there's only like 10
Fine.
of those, so that's easy.
Why there's only 10? I mean, there's only
What?
25 Java ones. Like,
What? No,
wait,
there
no,
isn't.
isn't there? No, it's 25 different expressions. My bad, I got that mixed up. It's right.
Yeah.
There's only 10 inspections. Damn, I'm sorry.
Okay, well,
I'm sorry, I can see
IntelliJ
the
itself has over 3,000 inspections.
What, for all different languages?
Yeah.
But you're starting with Java.
Yeah.
How many inspections are there for Java?
A lot.
Okay. But if it's 3,000 for all languages, then it must be a few hundred then, right? For
Yeah.
Java. Okay. Damn.
Bro,
It's like
we've
you're not
already
doing
got like. Does it
like
tell
you're
me
not
how
doing
many
stream.
if I do that?
It's like you've not got a stream per. It's like you're not doing a stream per inspection, huh?
Yep. At this rate, we might be, but yeah.
Okay, shush. Okay, but you said you couldn't explain to me what flipping. You know, how does it be tokens?
Well, they couldn't be, but that's besides the point. Because the fact is, they could be.
Is it just like saying, you know, these could probably never be null, but they could be null because you never know?
Okay, no, actually, never mind. I know why. Okay, so consider this, right? Consider this example where value A is negative, right? So this method is going to be recursive, yeah? So it's going to need to go into the children of every expression. So
Wait, but I thought it's an expression tree is checking the entire tree, so you're checking all the children.
yes, it is.
You check the tree of every single child?
Well, yeah, of course.
But can't you just go down the entire tree of all the children?
That's what it does, yes.
Okay, Lone Wolf, this is like not helpful.
Okay, come on.
Okay, Ryan
Let's not
knew
get
this would
sidetracked.
happen. No, but I'm trying to understand. Okay, so these are negative. Okay, yes, continue.
Yeah, so negative, that's a token.
Yeah.
So you need to see if that's a token, then you need to
Yeah.
see if it's the same as whatever token is here.
So the token at the start of the name or the expression is the same.
Well, any tokens in the expression, not just at the start.
Okay, and if they're the same, then what? Oh, if they're not the same, then it's not. Is what you're saying?
Yeah.
So
Okay, like
so
a better example would be if I did this.
-5, and then you'd be like, those are not the same. It doesn't matter what the hell these things are, because those aren't the same.
Yeah.
Okay. So okay, thank you for explaining it to me, Ryan, because before I had no clue, but that makes sense. Because I thought it was a singular, but I didn't think about what we're modifying yeah. Okay, so how do we get the token?
Okay, well, a token is just an instance of a syntax node.
What, start with?
No.
I guess it'd be anywhere. Is that like a get? Okay, so okay. But don't try and type when I'm okay. So okay. Oh, instance of. No. Okay, you can wait, it's instance of. I was right.
Yeah. Okay. Go on.
But I don't know what. Well, I'll
But you need to
like
see if there's a token.
Like that.
Okay, no. Okay, why is it... Okay, thank you, entirely. No. It's a syntax token.
Okay. Okay. Fine. We check if that... We need to check if... Wait. What?
What?
I don't understand this.
If the left is a syntax token, yes,
Yeah.
and...
Why you got left token?
Because that's what we're calling it.
Wait, you can put variable declarations inside of an if statement?
Yes.
Are you surprised that this is news to me?
Not really, no. It's a new Java feature. Oh well. I say new, like Java 15, but, you know.
Okay, that's crazy. Well, I guess is it kind of like with like a for I loop?
Yeah, sure. Close enough.
Because you're being so slow, I'll write it myself.
But you're meant to be writing it anyways.
Okay, yeah. Then what?
Okay, then...
Okay, so what is so what are these? What is left token and right token?
Well, this is the left token and this is the right token.
Yeah, but what are... Okay, fine. Okay, fine. So in this case, if you've got flipping, I don't know, +5, and then you've got -5, what are the left and right tokens in this?
Plus and minus.
Okay, so this literally just gets syntax tokens in these two expressions. In all the children in these expressions. And
Well,
goes,
no,
okay,
we're already
what is...
looking at the plus and the minus. When this
Yeah.
node is called, we're already looking at that plus and minus here. But here we're just telling it that these are syntax tokens.
Wait, so this is just checking... No, but this is checking if this is the same as that, right?
Yes, we're looking at the entire thing, yes.
Yes.
Yes,
So then
but
this part is checking this bit and this bit.
no. Well, it will be, yes.
What if there are multiple tokens?
Then it will check each one. But, okay, yeah,
Okay.
You don't really understand recursion. I see. Okay. It's fine. Just don't worry about it.
Okay. You teach me after the stream, maybe.
Okay,
so we
next
don't
time
have
I'm
that
just
in.
going to copy it for you because you're not going to figure that out on your own.
Why didn't you realise, Ryan, when you chose this inspection that I'd have to know recursion?
Because I didn't think about that. Well, I
Maybe
did,
if you
but
do this-
I didn't.
If we do this again, you should actually think about it for longer than a minute.
But I
go,
don't have
"Wait,
time for
what
that. If I'm going to do that, then I might as well just do the entire section myself.
Okay. So
Anyway,
We
I could
analysed
probably
the
whack out all the starter ones in a day.
Well, yeah, but that'd be bad for people who want to jump in and do it.
Yeah, exactly.
So, return semantic analyzer. So the left token or the right token.
Just don't worry about that.
Oh, we're saying if either of them are trivia tokens, then we return if they're both the same trivia token.
Yeah.
Okay, but how do we get the trivia token? Wait, this is a trivia token. So we're checking if it's a trivia token, and then we return if they're both. Wait, isn't this returning if they're both trivia tokens?
Yes.
Not if they're both the same.
Yes.
So how do we? But then. Oh, and then wait.
Because if one's a trivia token and one's not a trivia token, then the methods aren't. Then the two values aren't the same.
But if they are both trivia tokens, then we're still returning them returning true.
Yes.
But what if they're both different trivia tokens?
Well, it doesn't matter because they're trivia tokens. It's trivia. We don't care.
Okay. Okay.
We only care if one is a trivia token and one is not a trivia token. Otherwise, we just don't care what they are. They're not important.
Do we just assume they're not the same? Okay, but if these are both +5, then we need to check for that. But they're both trivia tokens.
Well, yes, in this case, they're not trivia tokens.
They're not trivia tokens?
No, these are just tokens. Trivia tokens is like semicolon or comments or white space.
Oh, so we're ignoring it. Wait, so are these also technically trivia tokens? Like these bits here are also checked?
Yes.
Oh. Well, you should have just said, bro. You should have just said, flipping, this bit checks if there's space, this bit checks the space, and this bit ignores space in between.
Yeah, but it's not just, okay. It's besides the point.
So, okay.
Okay, so now you need to check if the tokens are the same.
Okay, question. If this is returning true, that's returning true out of this if statement, right?
It's returning throughout the entire method, yes.
So, because you're recursively going over... Wait, what are we recursioning?
We haven't got that to that part yet.
I already have so many questions, but I don't want to make this take 10 hours. Okay, fine. What's the next bit? Checking if they're the same trivia token.
If they're the same token, yes.
So, can we just run Java Semantic Analyzer and then go, like, get trivia?
But they're not trivia.
Okay, get token. I don't know. How do we get the token?
No, that's not a thing you can do. But you have the token. You have left token and right token.
Oh, so we just go if they're... So how do we get if they're... Oh!
Okay, go into syntax token.
God, this is gonna take hours. It's gonna take hours, you realise. Okay, so you've got a list of children.
Yes, but that's not the important part.
And you got text.
Okay, so if you wanted to compare two tokens...
We should get text.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, we got equals, wouldn't it? Because... An inspection is like this red bit at the end. So, like, if this is an error, they haven't expected. So this is an expression. Or, sorry, this is an inspection.
Yeah.
But right now I'm doing this inspection to check if these are both the same, it should warn the user and go, hey, by the way, the then and the else in the ternary are the same. That's what I'm doing. We have loads of inspections here. Which you can't see because you can't see my mouse, but like, you know. If you look in the sidebar, which Ryan has selected, there are loads. Anyway, so yeah, obviously that is what I was going to do. So yeah, so if they're both of the same text. So what's the text of an inspection? Sorry, got me confused. What's the text of the token? Is that like the actual token itself?
Yes.
Okay, that's surprisingly simple. Okay. But this is just saving us time by checking if they're both trivia tokens and then returning if they are, because you don't need to worry about it.
Yeah.
Okay, can I ask a question that I know you don't want to answer, but I want to ask anyway? Are we recursively looping over the values in the in those expressions, like that, like the actual values themselves, like the parts of the expression. Is that what we're recursively going over?
Yeah.
So we're going over that, then we're going over that. Oh, then we're going over that. Oh God, I can't. Then that. I can't select it like the plus and then the space and then the 5 and so on. Yeah.
Kind of, yeah.
Okay.
It's not quite.
Kind of is not what I want. Okay, fine. So
you know what we'll do. Once we wrote this inspection, right? You can debug it, and then you can step through and see what happens. And I think it will all make sense to you.
Okay. So what else are we checking for?
Okay, you also need to check if they're the same kind.
Can I just get the... Is that like... No, but tokens don't have types.
They do, because they're syntax nodes.
Oh, so syntax node... So I just do .kind. So if left token.kind... Oh, can I do this? Do I have to make it null? Oh, I have to make it null. Okay, fine. Objects dot... What the fuck deep equals? You know, I'm not going to worry about it.
Yeah, don't worry about that. Technically use them. Well, I don't know, actually. Maybe not. Probably could, but it'd be very inefficient.
Okay.
Okay. Good.
Got it. Why?
Yes.
Oh, because I'm separate. Yeah, okay. I see.
Okay, so the next thing to do then is we want to get the children of the left and the right.
Okay, I saw those. See, actually, you showing me the token class has helped a lot, by the way. Because, like, I can just call this.
Well, not the token, but yes, because they're not tokens.
Wait, these aren't tokens?
Not after the if statement, they're not.
Oh, because we're saying they're not the same. We were saying they're not both syntax tokens.
Yep.
So, are they like another node?
Yeah.
Which also extends syntax node.
Mm-hmm.
So are we because this is getting all the syntax nodes. But these are tokens. So we're checking if they are both tokens. And then we're checking if they are both trivia token, which you don't give a crap about. And then if they aren't both trivia tokens, then we're checking, okay, are they the same text and the same kind?
Yeah.
And then if not, then we return false, and if they are, return true. Okay, that makes sense now. It's clicked.
Good.
Fine, it's gone. Tick. Okay, good. So, is it like left instance of another type of token?
No, you need to get the children.
Oh yeah. Sorry, but yeah. So, left. What? 2 lists of children?
Yeah. Not literally children.
That's a great question. Me, it's hard to explain. Ryan, do you want to answer that question while I'm writing this?
I don't see. I actually don't know how much experience I have because I don't exactly know when I started, but somewhere between 8 and 10 years. I think 10 technically, but like when I started, I was like on and off coding, so more probably realistically like 8.
Yeah. Okay. And for me, basically, I don't know. It's kind of hard to explain because I was like on and off programming for a while, and technically still am, but like like I'm not programming consistently for various reasons. So, professional experience, like actual like making stuff, not much. But yeah, that's why I'm trying to help Ryan out with his, because I don't really know enough. So this also helps me learn at the same time. Okay, so we need to check if they contain the same count. Is it? Do we do the same count first?
No, once you've got the okay. First of all, we want to see if they have the same size, so have the same number of children.
If they don't, then they're not gonna be the same.
Yeah.
See, are you impressed that I got? Are you impressed that I knew that quickly without having to,
I mean, I hate that you put right first, but yes.
Yeah, so do I. I don't know why I did that. I was just typing and speaking, man. It's hard to type and speak. I don't know how you do it. Unless you've learned to write and speak.
Yeah.
Don't need that. I can just do return false.
Yeah.
I hate not having curly braces, but I know you like me not having that. Is the case of my other inspection where I've added curly braces where I shouldn't have? Yeah, there are. Okay, let me get rid of those.
Probably.
Okay, I think that's it in the inspection class. The other one I did. Okay, fine. So, okay. Okay, what next? Oh, if they are the same, but they wouldn't be the exact same, but they could be, right?
No, next you want to see. Well, yes, you want to see if they're the same. Yes.
So if they are literally the same.
No, not like that. You want to loop over them and see if they're the same.
Is there a method that does that? That can just compare two lists and loops over them and checks if they're the same?
But it's called a for loop. What do you mean?
Wait, there's no. Okay, there should be a method in list that just compares two lists.
No, because you're not literally going to use equals. Because equals won't work.
Okay. See, what's bad and what explains that I don't have much experience is that I still don't properly understand how for loops work.
Wait, what?
Because I never know when to -1 or not. Because I know you're meant to -1 because it starts at 0 and all that malarkey. But like, so do I need to -1 here for the size?
But you almost never -1.
Okay.
If you're -1, you're probably not doing it right.
Because if that was 1, then you -1, but you would never do that, right?
Oh yes, sure.
Okay. So how do I check if they're the same?
Okay, well, how are we checking if they're the same?
Do we just loop over every single value or every single child, and if the left isn't the same as the right, then it's false? So we get the I of both of them, and if they're not the same, it's false.
Okay.
Yeah?
So, the left... Okay, we've established that left and right are expressions, yeah?
Yeah.
And we know they have children.
Yeah.
And children of expressions can be expressions, yes?
Yeah. So then those can also express children.
Yes.
But do these also include them, or not? Or are these just the
No, these are just the children of the current one.
Oh,
not the children of those children.
Oh, God.
And those children could have children, which have children, you know.
Yeah, Brian, I get the point. Don't. Yeah, I get it.
Okay. So if you want to know if the expression tree is the same.
Is there a way to get the tree?
What method are you writing?
Oh. Okay. Alright.
Okay, bye-bye, Lone Wolf.
Do you think this VOD's gonna have like 1 million views? Because like everyone's gonna love watching you get tortured.
Maybe.
Okay. But hey, that benefits you, right?
I suppose so.
Okay. So I can't believe we just sat there silent for a minute and then said, "You know what method we're writing, right?" And I was like, "Oh." Okay. So, okay. Should we not have a method that gets the expression tree? Is that not a thing that we should do?
Right. That's literally what we're doing.
Yeah, but this checking if they've got the same expression tree. Why don't we just get the... Are we going to have getting the expression tree inside of the same method to check?
Well, how we're getting the tree out? You still have to loop over the tree to see if they're the same.
So we just have... Okay, so we just have 100 for I loops checking the children of every single child, right?
Because the entire reason is we're using recursion.
Oh, gosh. Okay, so how do we recursion, then? Explain recursion.
You just call the method, bro. It's not that hard.
What, is there just What, I can just do left children dot recursion.
What? No, bro.
You call the method. What method?
Bro, the method we are writing.
Oh,
Look.
we call the same method to check if the tree. Oh, I see. Okay, that makes sense. So if it's same expression tree.
Well, if it's not the
Left.
same expression tree, yes.
Left children, right children.
Yeah.
No.
Well,
Oh,
kind of.
Dot get.
Yeah.
I for each child.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's gonna like recursion the living hell out of that, right?
Well, it could do, yes.
If it's got a bajillion kids, it's gonna just like go crazy.
Well, hopefully it doesn't have a bajillion kids.
If it is like, okay, never mind. I've got to keep it PG. Never mind. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay. Sorry, I did have it. Well, you know what we should do for the next stream round? We should have like my webcam, above your webcam.
Sure.
That'd be great. Okay.
Go on. Stop getting distracted.
Okay. Bro, I'm not getting distracted. That's fine. Okay. So okay. So then we return false.
Yeah.
Okay. But if they do have the same expression tree, then it's true, right? Oh, we don't need to do anything because it's just true anyway.
Yeah, so if it's
Wait.
true, then you just want to check the next child.
Return true.
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah, I did it, guys. I did it. You guys okay.
Okay, we're not done though.
Oh.
Because this won't work.
Why?
Because that's going to include every child. So, okay, for example, if we had come up to the example.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, so if we had in here, something like this, we want to ignore this, right?
Yeah.
So like if we go through the children here and we hit this, we just want to ignore it.
That's bad practice, so I should put a warning saying don't put comments in the middle of a code block, you idiot. What are you doing?
Okay, but there's scenarios where you can do that. And it makes sense. Okay, for example, like if I'm calling a method and it has like a bajillion parameters, right? So, I don't know.
Oh, but you might have a comment to that parameter.
Yeah.
Testing or something.
Yeah, something like that.
Also, to answer your question, ZuperZ, it's fine. I remember what you were saying. An inspection is like an error. So if I did beans, then that would error because it can't resolve the symbol. That's an inspection. If I didn't have a semicolon at the end, that would error. That's an inspection.
Yeah.
Anyway, as you were saying, yes, continue.
Okay, so we need to write a method that does that instead of just left.getChildren and right.getChildren.
We need to have a method that does like, get children without comments.
Well, something like non-trivia children, maybe.
A non-trivia children. God, that's a mouthful. Okay. So what, a list of syntax nodes. Syntax nodes.
Yeah.
Syntax nodes? Called what? Do we call it get or just it's get, right?
Yeah, sure.
See, I never understand when you should use get and when you should not. It's like this doesn't have get children. That's because it's a record or interface, and it just automatically creates getters. But like, why wouldn't you? But that should be get children, no?
Not really.
Okay, fine. Whatever. So, okay, you've decided we're not having get. Okay.
Yeah, I didn't like it.
Okay, so, but this is being called on left, no? Or are we passing in the node?
You need to pass it in, yeah.
It's a shame we can't like override the syntax node and then have it be a method that can be called. That'd be cool.
Yeah. Well, we're not in Kotlin, so.
But you can do that in Kotlin?
Yeah.
We should write it in Kotlin, bro. Why don't you write the entire of Railroad in Kotlin, bro? Problem solved. Okay. I'm sure Wide would be happy about that. Okay, so we need to loop over the children, and then we need to add to the list if the child isn't a. Wait, but We need to loop. Okay, so we need to loop over the children of the node.
Yeah.
And for every single child, if the child is a comment symbol, we need to ignore the following children until the next comment symbol. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, that makes sense in my brain. So I think we're good with this one. So we can just do for syntax node, syntax node. I'll call it node, whatever.
Okay.
In node. Pardon?
Can't call it a node.
Oh.
Just call it a child.
Hey, look, it's you. There you go. Should I just call it Ryan? Nah, better.
You're not funny.
Okay. See, I can have a bit of humour to the stream. It's great. Okay, so there's just a formal stream where we're programming.
Yep.
No time for humour.
Suits and ties only.
Okay. Okay.
Hello, Leotorio. Welcome to the stream.
Are you the guy who deletes your messages, or is it someone else? I always forget.
Yeah, it is them.
It's them. Okay.
I expect that message gone very shortly.
Okay. Okay, so
UI is not. I mean, completed is a complicated word. I mean, it's not quite as simple as that, right?
Yeah, I mean, for like a lot of projects, it might not be completed, but it might be in a working state. But it might be completed enough that it's you're happy with it.
Yeah, I mean, it's in a working-ish state. We'll run it soon, and you will see. Well, actually, I don't know if I can run it. I don't think I can run it. I think it would just run it on your PC. So.
Yeah, that's fine. You guys just imagine what it looks like, It's fine.
Yeah.
Okay, so right now we're just getting the children and not doing anything with it. So let's actually do something with it. So.
Okay, well, you don't want to get the children.
Yeah, I don't know why I wrote that. I think I was talking and typing, and my brain got disconnected. Okay, so for each child, is we using instance of?
Well, you want to know? Yeah, you want to know if it's a token? Yeah.
So syntax token.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Like this.
Yeah.
Also get the token while we're there.
Sure. And you want to know if it's a trivia token?
Wait, why don't I just do an instance of trivia token?
Because that's not a thing.
Oh. Okay. But so what in here? We do an and.
Yeah. So if it's a token and that token is a trivia token.
You can do that.
You can't do it
chain
instance of. But what do you mean you can chain it? We literally chained it here.
No, but I mean like you can use this in the same if statement.
Oh, yeah.
Damn. That's cool. Which I guess you also do in a for I loop, because you do if I is less than. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Token.kind.
No. How did we check if it's a trivia token earlier?
Semantic analyzer. If trivia token.
Okay, well there you go then.
We're checking if it's a trivia token, right? I'm
Yeah.
not tripping. Okay. Yeah. So if it's a syntax token and it's a trivia token. Wait, can't I just get rid of that and just because I've got to get the token. I see. That makes sense.
Okay, so if it is a trivia token, what do we do?
We ignore it until the next trivia token.
Okay, go on then.
So continue?
What do you think?
Well, we could set a Boolean flag in the method. In the loop.
For what?
I don't know. Skipping. And then if the child and we have another method, and then if this is not true, then we set it to not set to false. And then we add it.
But
and then if it's false, we add it.
No.
So like we else it, and then if it's not that, then we set skipping equals false, and then we add it to the list, and then we return the list at the end.
I mean, why? Like,
I don't know.
sure, you could do
Just
that,
the way
but,
I'm
but
thinking
why?
of doing it. Okay, so why? Okay, so how else would we do it better than that?
You just continue.
Yeah, but then how do we know when to stop skipping? Oh, we don't.
But you don't.
No, but it loops over them. So once it's found a trivia token, it skips it. But when it goes to the next token, that might not be a trivia token, but it's after a trivia token, it would include it. But you don't want to do it, right?
Yeah.
So then, how do we know if we should skip it or not? How do we know if it's after a trivia token?
Because it's the next child in the loop. What do you mean?
Yes. All right. So how do we know when to stop not including it?
Because it's the next item in the loop. What do you mean?
Okay, but going back to this example here, when you so I don't know. Let's say that we commented out the +5. We didn't want +5 anymore, right?
Yeah.
So we're going to value A, then that, and we know that's a comment or a trivia token.
This is a
So
trivia token, yes.
Oh, the entire thing is a trivia token.
Yeah.
So a trivia token is the entire commented bit.
Yeah.
Okay, never mind then. Fine. I didn't know that. I thought it was the part. No, because you were saying that a semicolon's a trivia token. But I thought it was the token is just this, and then that's a new token, that's a new token, that's and so on.
No.
Well, you didn't tell me that. Right? So how was I meant to know that?
Comment. I don't actually know if we have. We have comment. Okay. No, never mind. That's.
Did ring? Hold on.
Don't worry about that. Stay hydrated, guys.
Yeah. I'm talking so much, so I keep drinking water. Okay. I think that makes sense. I was on the wrong train of thought. That's my bad.
Sure, you've been working on this for roughly 9 months. This? The SST? I hope not. Actually, I might have been. You might be right.
Oh no.
I probably have, haven't I?
Almost a year working on just the SST, bro.
Okay, but the SST is complicated. It's not just inspections. The SST isn't just inspections.
Well, you're not going to have to rewrite any. You're not going to have to rewrite the entire SST, are you?
I'm not planning to.
Okay, it's not going to be like, your other like industrial things where you spend months and months working on it and you have to rewrite it all because it's bad. You're not going to do that with this, right?
Oh, I think they meant railroad. Okay, yeah. Railroad we've been doing for a lot longer than 9 months. Railroad I started like multiple years ago.
You restarted, didn't you?
Yeah, Railroad has gone through many iterations.
Has there been another one where it's...
No, we're not doing it again. This is the final iteration of Railroad. We're not going back and
starting Kotlin. Let's go.
Come on, lock in.
Okay, I'm sorry. You answered that guy's question, bro. You can't tell me to lock in a second after answering the guy's question. What do you want from me?
Yes, but then you start rambling about rewriting it in Kotlin.
Okay,
which
fine.
we're not doing.
You're putting your foot down. Okay. So we just change the list.
Okay. Go on then.
But it needs to be in a array list, right?
Yes.
You don't know how long it is.
It's a list.
Wait, no. Before you shoot my head off.
Good. I'm glad.
Okay. What do you use for fact? Yeah. Oh, bro, child. Add the child to the children.
Yeah.
Then we return the children. That it?
Yeah.
Why?
So that it's immutable.
Oh, it means you can't change the children.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. I've never thought of that before. Interesting. Because I didn't think about that stuff. I just think, oh, well, I won't rewrite it. It's fine. But of course, if other people are editing this, you need to make sure it's good for them as well. They don't want them to accidentally change the children where they shouldn't do.
Yeah.
Could you also have, like, I don't know, had like a final variable somewhere and then just say it? Wait, I'm being stupid. Never mind. Ignore me. So is that it then?
Yeah.
Okay.
So now you just need to use it.
Oh my god, I showed the music in the background. It's crazy. Okay. So there.
It is just for Java, yes. Well, and also Kotlin, and also Groovy, and
So it's not just for Java, then,
JSON,
is what you're trying
and
to say.
TOML, and probably YAML, and Markdown, and
But he's not making like VS Code.
yeah. It's not for C++, it's not for C#, it's not for Go, it's not for Rust.
Java, I'm assuming.
Java, yes. Eventually, maybe Bedrock? I don't know. That's not even something I've really considered
Make
yet.
a plugin.
But there's no reason why we couldn't do that, in theory. Like, it's effectively the same. Just not Java, just JSON. We'd have to support TypeScript, though.
Fun.
Yeah,
I want to make a website in flipping Railroad. It'd be great.
maybe later down the line, we'll look at it.
Could you eventually add like plugins like how VS Code has it, or that require you adding like all of this?
No, you could do that. You could do that right now.
That'd actually be pretty cool. So someone could come along and just write a C++ plugin, and then boom, go C++ now.
Yep, they could.
Do you think that's how VS
Eventually,
Code
I want to
is?
support
Someone just, like,
LSPs as well, but
What
that's
are
a whole other
LSPs?
thing. With the language server protocol, which
that
is
like-
what VS Code uses, and what NeoVim uses, and what Atom uses.
Do you want to make it
and-
kind of not just for just Java and Minecraft modding?
Well, I want to allow people to add plugins for other languages if they wanted to.
But not be built in with it. But eventually it could be other languages because of plugins that are created. Wait, does VS Code create the plugins that allow the other languages themselves?
Some of them, not most of them. Though.
But- Oh damn! So they're all like community managed. Okay, but that'd be cool if you could have that, and then you wouldn't have to manage it. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm getting distracted again. Okay, so is that it then?
We need to use this method.
Well, obviously. Okay, this is actually going to be hard because I kind of forget where this is to go now.
Okay, well, where are you checking if the two expressions are equal?
We just do if.
No, what?
Like this.
I mean, yes, but
Oh, we can just return. No, we can just report it. Wait. Oh, I can use ternary, right?
but what are you doing?
What are you doing?
Get rid of your jank.
Okay, fine. There, happy?
Yes,
I was going to ternary it.
that's not possible.
Damn it. Okay. Wait, because you can't have ternary without an else, can you?
Correct. Okay, one problem is a pretty big problem.
Mm-hmm.
What if we had this? Should they be the same or not?
Yes.
Okay, that currently won't happen. They won't be the same.
So we need to just escape brackets.
Yeah.
Need to unwrap brackets.
To use context, you're not going to know what the method is, but that.
Kind of like, wait, I've done that before for the double inspection, for the double negatives.
Did you?
Did we? Oh no, we unmapped leading negations. Never mind. That was
Yeah,
for.
it's a little bit different. Well,
double
it
negatives.
kind of does the same thing.
Wait, but we're also unwrapping brackets, aren't we? Or sorry, parentheses. For you.
Yeah.
Bat my head off. So where are we doing that then? Because I can't see unwrap transparent.
In unwrapped
expression.
leading negations.
Oh, that also unwraps. That also unwraps. Oh, that also unwraps the. Okay, I see. But we don't need to do that here, right?
Nope.
Okay, is that it then?
Yeah, I think so.
Do we test it?
Well, you're missing something pretty important. Wait, are you? Have you already done it? Damn, you already did it.
Oh, I added the
I'm
inspection.
surprised.
Oh, I didn't add the Java
Wait, no, you
inspection
didn't.
registry. Is it conditional expression with identical branches? That we just did.
Or conditional expression. Yeah.
I'm going crazy. Okay. Oh my god, it actually suggested a name. That's so W intelligent, man. See, Ryan, if I was making an ID, I'd have probably added like the insertion of brackets and stuff before doing this, which I know you would hate and you would disagree with. But I'd add that first because I feel like without that, it's not usable to me, even if we didn't have inspections.
Okay, but you need. Well, also it does insert brackets. What do you mean?
That's it. Wait, also does test work now?
No.
Wait, do I have to add it here as well?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Dot. That. Ever. Okay. When are you going to add it so it automatically adds these, bro? I thought you said you were going to do that. Go on.
Yes, I will do it. But I'm trying to fix your freaking scaling thing first.
My scaling thing? Oh,
yes,
my Zoom.
so you can run it on freaking Wayland Linux butt cheeks stuff.
I mean, you can just add scaling, bro.
But it's not that easy.
Also, you know that I can kind of fix that myself, right?
No, you can't. You definitely
no, I can.
Can't.
No, as in, like, there's a parameter I can add when I run it to fix it with Wayland.
Bro.
For applications.
Well, why didn't you tell me that?
Still, because I think scaling is a good thing to add anyway. For people it doesn't scale properly. Okay. I don't know what I'm doing. Am I doing this right? I think I am. No, I called, don't I? Yeah. There we go. Bish bash bosh. Do I also need it here as well? Oh my god, bro! There's so much additional just copy and pasting, bro. Okay, it's fine. I just copied and pasted. This is fine. Hello. Okay. You know, I definitely enjoy playing some Nautical Wilderness. I can't lie.
Okay, bro.
Okay, are we finally done now? Fuck it. You know what? I'm gonna run the test because I don't care. And if it errors, we'll go. Oh. Oh my god. So many tests are failing. What? Why has every single test failed? Could not initialize Java inspection registries. Did I not include it there? If we did, what is it? What is it on? What have I missed? What have I messed up? Bro, you can't just run it again. It's not gonna fix it.
But you never know.
But
also,
I do know.
I wanted to see the error.
What? So you could tell it wasn't just me?
No, so I can see what the error was.
I told you what the error was.
Yeah, you haven't added it. Oh wait. Initialize class. No class found. What? If contains.
Well, hey, now you can't get mad at me for not watching the stream because I'm actually in the stream. There we go. Amazing. Okay.
What's the
now
ID?
I can just sit back and watch him do like
inspection.
this is great, guys. Make sure to like and sub if you haven't already, by the way.
Plugin inspection?
And hit the bell if you want to get notified of new uploads, like tutorials.
Okay, I think it's just because you didn't add it to the text in here. Yeah, I think it's because you didn't add it up there.
I didn't add what to the wall or what? Oh, at the top of the test list.
Possibly.
Oh, I didn't add it to the top of the test list. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, okay. See, I was in too much of a hurry to just, have this inspection done. When do you have to go, by the way?
I don't.
I thought you said you had to go and pick up your dad from the station.
I said I might have to.
Oh, do you not have to anymore?
But I don't know.
Is he going to, message you going, yo, son, come pick me up?
Why are you being so weird?
I'm not being weird. No, it's a genuine question. Is he going to message you?
Wait.
Okay, he's.
But you're not even... Okay, no wonder it's not working, bro, because you're not friggin... Okay, you've done it all wrong, you absolute dingleberry.
Oh, did I not put call at the start?
No, you just haven't... You haven't... Okay, first of all, you've called this SEM double negation inspection. Second of all, you're not even using this.
Okay, I can't...
Are you paying attention?
I'm watching your stream. Okay,
Right,
let me
just
actually go
follow
and
me.
Yeah, I'm following you. It's easier. Also, shouldn't the one above be inspection? No, it shouldn't. Should it?
No, it shouldn't.
Okay. So this needs to
Okay,
be
so
renamed.
fix it.
I forgot to rename it. It's because I was... It's because you were talking and then I was trying to program it. I missed it. Can I just copy this? Yep. Fixed it. Oh, and I need to add a name. I need to add a message as well. But you said I can add the message afterwards.
Okay, we need to figure out why this isn't being used.
Okay, that's pretty... Oh! That's why. Partially. Alright, fix it. I just checked what the other one, where that was being used. Oh, but this is still saying no usages. Oh, it's just bugged. Okay. It's still erroring. What else am I missing? Is it because there's no message?
Possibly. I don't think so, but maybe.
Nope, it still fails even when there's beans of the message.
Suspicious.
Not fine, I'll follow you and I'll watch you try and debug it. A good experience, I know. You should walk through what you're going through. Try and debug it.
Here you go. See, it does work. What are you on about?
Oh. I read one test
Your
pass
code
and
doesn't work.
How dare you? How very dare you? Say my code doesn't work. This
Fine,
guy.
you can fix it.
Is it the test that's broken or is it the actual code that's broken?
The test.
Okay, that makes my life easier. What's broken about it?
All your 2 tests are broken. I thought you had more than that. Okay.
No, one test is broken.
No, both of them are broken.
Oh, but this is like incorrectly. Oh, that's easy, bro. There you go. Fixed it. I'm just being lazy and copying and pasting again, and it didn't change stuff. Yeah, it's all passed. I'm so good at this. I'm a pro programmer, guys.
Okay, now the question is, do you actually understand how this inspection works?
Yeah. Well, no. Kind of. Not really.
Okay, walk me through it.
Okay, you know what? No. Why don't you walk me through it?
But you wrote it. You should be able to walk me through it.
Bro, I wrote like half of it.
Yeah?
So, like... Bro, it's hard to explain.
No, it's not.
Okay, fine. Fine. So we check if the statement is a conditional expression, which is like ternary. Right?
Yeah.
So you go, okay, is this ternary? And if it's yes, it goes, okay, fantastic. Now we need to get the parts of the ternary, right? So we've got this part. Trivia token is like a semicolon, and a comment.
And
They're
white space.
Like, and a white space. They get ignored by, well.
It's tokens that are
this.
trivial, as the name suggests. They don't mean anything. They don't affect how the code works. Well,
Wait, but the
semicolons.
semicolon affects how the code.
Well,
yeah,
not really.
So a semicolon's not really trivial then?
But it is. But maybe semicolons aren't trivia tokens. I think they are, though. No, they must be. They must be, because you could just spam semicolons and that's valid code. So yeah, they are trivia tokens.
Okay, you know what? DuckDuckGo is actually dog water. I typed in a semicolon trivia tokens. It came up with when and how to use a semicolon. BBC bite size. Like, bro, that is literally not what I was talking about. Okay, never mind. Google's got no clue. Okay, fine. Hold on. Let me get back up the stream. Okay. Okay, so it loops through each of these. If there's any trivia, tokens, it like gets the block and goes ignore it. And it gets a tree of all of like of the expression, and then checks if all the children are the exact same. So if all the non-trivia children are the same.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I do understand it. It's crazy.
Okay, but do you understand the recursion?
Yeah. Kind of. Well, we're going to loop over every single children's, every single child's child, and then that child's child, and then that child's child, which is why we can...
I still want you to debug it.
No, but I understand it, bro. I actually understand it.
But if you debug it, then you can understand... well, actually, maybe that would be...
Okay, well, I think if I debug it, I think I'd get more confused. I can't lie. I feel like I'd just get even more confused if I tried to debug it.
Okay. Yeah, probably true, because you need to learn about green and red nodes, so... Yeah, we'll leave that.
We're not doing this at flipping quarter to 9 o'clock at night.
Okay. Do you know another one or not?
Okay. This was enough torture for one day, is it not?
No, we just finished this one wide.
And he's trying to ask me if I should do another one or not, and I don't know if I should put him through that torture of doing another one or not. I mean, could you do like a harder one and explain to me how it works as you program it? And ask questions.
Sure.
Or why don't you do like a medium one that won't take too long for you to do, but I can interrupt you and ask questions, so it will take a bit longer, but like not too long.
Oh my god,
was that a bad idea?
I'm on your... Okay, that's weird. I don't like that.
Or actually, yeah, and then at the end we can PR them after stream, because you guys don't want to watch me do PRs, because it's boring.
Yeah.
Oh, actually, you know what we can do randomly? Hold on. Can you show a photo on stream real quick?
Of what?
Hold on. Well, I want to know if stream likes something. Hold on, give me a second.
Oh god.
Okay. And just because, you know. Okay. Can you ask what stream thinks of those socks? Go on, share them on stream and see what the stream thinks of those socks.
But why?
Because I want to know.
Right, no, I'm not just...
Fine.
Bro, no one cares what socks you're wearing.
No, I'm not wearing them, bro. It's a present. I just want to know. Okay, fine. I'll stop derailing the stream. Why don't you... Bro, they're not like...
Yeah, I agree.
But they're new socks. They're new... Okay, fine.
I didn't want to see them either.
You guys just hate me. Damn. Okay. Fine. Just pick a medium inspection, then just explain how it works, and I'll interrupt all the time. Yeah? Also, we need to cross it off as well.
Yeah, cross it off then.
Why don't you do the conditional expression with negated condition? Because that will probably combine stuff that we did last time. Right? Maybe? Also, I don't know where it is, you realise. Oh, this one. Okay, no, done it. Cross it off.
Okay, I'm going to do an easy one. All the medium ones are going to take me longer than an hour, probably.
Oh. And it actually means up to you, by the way.
I don't know what that means, so I'm not going to do that one.
Okay. So is it really easy if you don't know what it means?
Third break statement. I could do that one, it's just a bit boring. Record, but these are all like, I don't want to do redundant ones, because that's just like...
Or you could fix the, or you could fix the zooming thing, or would that take longer than an hour, do you think?
That will take me a lot longer than an hour. Also, Codex is doing that, I'm not doing that.
Okay.
But I don't want to have to rewrite all the friggin' CSS of the entire IDE. I don't have time for that.
You should have planned that, man. You should have planned it in advance.
No, because I didn't think about your friggin' Wayland butt cheeks.
No, but that might happen. That might happen with other people, bro.
But no one else is using Wayland.
Okay, but what about like zooming in, bro? Actually, everyone wants zooming in.
Oh,
It's like a common thing for people screen sharing with big monitors.
Well,
That's not just a
skill
Wayland
issue.
thing, is that? Okay, that's just your answer to. Like, you're right, but I'm not. I don't want to admit it. That's what it is. It's mainly just Ryan. Wide's doing a few, or Wide did a few inspections, and now I'm finished with uni. I'm trying to help, but obviously this is taking longer than he did himself. But yeah.
What does that mean? No, we're not doing that because that's kind of debatable to even add that one. I might
You can't really see it, right? Because your face is covering it.
Oh, yeah, that's fine. Because I'm gonna pick one of them in anyways. Even though I am just going through like half of them and saying no. In the class field height and these are so boring. Equals called on big decimal.
You trying to get me to do them?
We can do this one.
Okay, fine. I'm gonna follow you and I'm gonna ask questions all the time, which might help people in chat understand what's going on. Or maybe I'm just being stupid and they all know. I don't know. Or maybe it's really obvious and I'm just being an idiot. But for that one person out there who may be watching it who doesn't know what's going on, it might help them understand. Okay, there, I'm following you, man. Oh, should you test first? Do test first.
I suppose.
Yeah, go on, do test first. But you hate doing test driven first, but it actually probably makes the code better. Because it's like a plan of what you need to do. Rather than you thinking about it on the fly.
Like...
It's boring.
Yeah. It's like I've got Codex to write the test for me.
No, you can't do that. No, that's cheating.
Why not?
That's cheating. Go on, write
yourself. I don't have
yourself.
time to write the test.
Bro, it takes like 5 minutes, bro. Stop being lazy.
Okay, but I also don't know exactly what this even triggers.
Well, then why did you pick it then if you didn't know what it is?
But because they're all going to be like that.
Okay, well, figure it out, bro.
You can figure it out. Equals called on big decimal.
Oh, I don't know. Go on the JLR thing.
It's scale sensitive big equals. I don't know what that means.
Okay, well, go on ask Codex what it means.
That's what I'm doing.
Okay, but don't ask. Okay, why are you being like this?
It's taking time.
Don't ask it to write the test for you.
Fine, I won't ask it to write the freaking test for me. I'm at least asking it to figure out what it means.
You're in a lazy mood. I thought we were being professional here.
We are being professional. You're the one hurrying me along.
And you're the one making...
Forcing me to write these freaking tests, which no one likes writing.
Well, I had to write it, so do you.
Well, you chose to write it. I didn't say you couldn't use AI to write it.
Well, you need to learn. We need to learn how to not use AI.
What?
Because if you wrote enough tests, Ryan, you'd start to find it easy enough that you could bam it out in like a few minutes, and then you wouldn't need to use AI for it.
But Codex can do it in like 2 minutes.
Yes, but if you got good enough at it, you could probably do it in that same amount of time.
But if Codex does it, that's 0 effort, where me doing it is lots of effort.
Yeah, but that's what programming is, right? Effort. But
GG.
You can't. Okay. Stop being a child, bro.
GG.
You gotta be professional. You saying GG. Okay. Has Codex answered you yet?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, it's actually kind of as simple as it's actually incredibly simple. I think this should probably be a starter one, but I'm doing it anyways, because too bad, so sad.
Also, I hate my username having 3 P's in it. That's really annoying. I need to find a new username.
Yeah.
Damn it, bro.
For yourself, Big Lad Alex.
That's been taken, bro. I guarantee it's been taken.
No, I doubt it. Like, what is this inspection? Core equals called on.
Actually, it hasn't been taken.
Yes.
Damn, it hasn't been taken. That's crazy. Should I admit myself, Big Lad Alex?
Yeah.
It's a bad username, bro.
No, it's
I'm
great.
curious. We managed to nab at Alex. I'm kind of curious.
What equals quarter on big decimal? Okay, but I hate naming
There's
tests.
There's a YouTuber called Alex who managed to nab at Alex 122,000 subs. Damn, that's crazy. I wonder how they had to. They must have to race to get that. They haven't posted in how long? Sorry, I'm getting sidetracked, but posted in 4 years. Okay, fine. So core. Okay, so what is it then? Or are you gonna write it and then? Could I understand? You think?
Yeah, but it's incredibly simple. Like
Okay, what is that?
incredibly simple.
Oh, actually, just write me an example and I'll go. Aha.
Hmm?
We need more chat engagement, man.
But there's not that many people watching. You know, there's like you can't get loads of chat engagement unless you're a massive streamer.
Okay, should we play some text speeches then? People who have donations and I'll have some donating questions.
But no one's gonna afford a boat. Who do you think?
I'm joking, bro. I'm joking. Kidding.
Sure, that'll do. That's good enough for me.
Big decimal equals rule emits. Big decimal equals rule. Should I rename my test? So my test's bad named. Name bad.
Yes.
Ah well, it's fine. No one cares. Was that where you got Big Alex from Big Decimal? Is that where you got it from?
Yeah. You're a big decimal.
Okay, that's rude.
I mean, that's rude.
Well, I also don't know what you mean when you call me a big decimal. Like, I don't know what you mean by that. Like, that's just a nothing burger, you know?
Okay,
I only know this front end and this back end. Should we actually run it instead of doing this? We should probably run it, right? Like actually run it.
Run it then.
But I can't because you're programming and it will go. Wow. Actually, it won't.
No, I'm literally writing a string.
Yeah, I just realized writing a string. Okay, but I'll run it. Oh, but then it won't show you the other people, will it?
Yeah.
No, it doesn't. Okay, you need to run it then, Ryan. Come on, you need to run it and show the people what we're working with.
Let me open up IntelliJ.
But can't you just run it in the thing you're running it in now?
No, because then that runs yours, bro. We've been through there.
Okay. But we need to set up like an IntelliJ server that we can just run and then
Right. Wait, am I on the right? Yes, we're on SSD. Okay. If I give this a okay, I can't really show you much though.
Well, you can. Well, I don't know how new this person is, but like. Yeah.
Okay, well we have to wait like 10 years for Gradle to wake up. Okay, so this is Railroad. So that's the loading screen. There you go. And this is the main welcome screen, I suppose. And you got like settings and shit. Oh, never mind, it just lags because yeah.
Even though you vibe coded most of that.
Rude. What do you mean I vibe coded most of that? I didn't vibe code any of this.
The front end. Did you not vibe code the CSS for the front end?
Well, I vibe coded the polishing CSS, yes. I wrote most of this myself.
Okay.
And then I got a new project. Get this needs codex to do some work here. Because this looks horrible. Anyways, don't want to do that. Want to open, I don't know.
We can also show the people.
Sure.
my actual inspection that I just did and it working.
Well, no, we can't. But okay.
Why can't we? Oh, because it's on your PC. Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
I'm an idiot. It's fine.
So if I open, say, a.java here, yeah, I mean, you can say this is an unresolved name because missing name is not a thing, right? Let me get rid of that.
But there we go. There's an inspection.
Yeah, so that's an inspection. This is also an inspection because this is duplicate import and this is an ambiguous import. Although I don't know why this doesn't say. Oh, it does. Oh, it just doesn't highlight. Yeah, I need to fix that. So that's trivial to fix, anyways. And then we got some other ones, and yeah, I need to fix that too. Oh, God, I need to start writing these things down, but I always forget. Anyways, yeah, this is just saying it don't exist. I mean, these are all fairly basic ones, like incompatible assignment because X is an int, B is a boolean, and then these aren't all of them, by the way. These are just the ones that I've wrote. This one's just empty catch block. This is also saying it's an error. I don't know. Oh, that is an error. Wait, why is that an error? That shouldn't be an error. Oh no, that's saying that's a warning. Okay, I don't know what's going on here.
You don't have warnings underlined still, unless you've changed that.
I don't know why it's saying this is an error. It might not understand.
Are you going to implement changing the warnings that highlight? Well, I guess that's theme, isn't it?
And then this is, oh yeah, B must be declared in the file because the file is called F. So B must be in there because it's a public class. This is complaining because the method can't be called underscore. This is complaining because the parameter can't be called underscore. This is complaining because, yeah, J must be in a class named J. And then final one I have is this is unreachable because it returns. And then there's also a warning here. Oh, if condition is always true. Yeah. Because it's just
I don't know how you do programming for 3 hours, bro. Like, I'm already tired. I'm ready to be done. Like, I couldn't have done another inspection, bro. I'd have just been dead.
So anyways, that's basically it.
Okay. Well, let me try and look in and try and actually understand what you're doing when you're writing your own inspection.
Okay.
You think I could
I'm
do
not
an
writing all
inspection?
these tests. I don't have time for this.
But there can't be that many tests.
Is,
Alright,
is it gonna stop erroring or hello?
But it's so weird seeing you stream like 10 seconds later and then 10 seconds later than me seeing it on my screen because it's not live.
Is your PC dead or like what's going on, gang?
My PC isn't dead. What do you mean?
Well, your PC's not syntax highlighting it.
Oh yeah, it isn't. I don't know. It's just kind of a moment, man. Just give it a second. I'm sure it'll figure itself out.
Right, it's been like that for about 30 seconds. Okay, whatever.
Okay, well, I'm re-importing it. Just give it a second. I don't know how that affects
also, you need to friggin' write this, bro.
Oh yeah, I need to write the
lazy
message
bugger.
template. What do I write in the message template?
Oh, such a lazy bugger.
Okay, it's rude. Should I just get AI to write it for me? No, I can't do that.
Bro, it's not that hard.
Well, it's like, you know, your ternary then and else's are the same. Fix it, you idiot. Ah, how's that?
Okay, I'll come back once you've
matured. Okay.
Yeah, matured.
Okay, there you go. Okay, but you were being immature earlier when you were whining, bro.
What? I was not whining.
But you were. Okay. Oh, you do PSF press tab? That's so interesting.
Yeah, because I'm not an idiot.
Okay, what's a better template for this than your ternary then and else's are the same? Because that's bad.
Okay, well, a conditional statement should not have the then and else the same.
I've got a really smart idea. I've got a really smart idea. Hold on. I'm trying to get an easy way to do this. I'm gonna just see what IntelliJ says for it and then copy that. No, can I find a question mark somewhere? Yeah, there we go. IntelliJ says a conditional expression with identical branches. Can I add what the code line is in the middle of the error message or not?
Sure.
How?
Well, look at the other ones.
Do you have to... Oh. What's percentage S?
Whatever you want percentage S to be.
Yeah, but how do you set it?
Look at the other ones.
Oh, it's the semantic rule. Wait, so where do I create it? In the... Yeah, but where does it go? Like, I'm so confused, like... like, where? Do I just have to go to this? Oh! It's here, it's inside of the jar. What, is it through the message template? Go on, let me... Okay, I don't understand how to do it, by the way, so you might have to fix that.
Go into the code that reports the thing.
Where? What do you mean the code that reports the thing?
The code that reports it.
His stream schedule is usually Saturdays and Sundays, but there's some exceptions. I mean, they should be scheduled anyway, so after the stream tomorrow, he'll schedule them for the following Saturday, Sunday. And if they're not scheduled, then chances are they're not happening. But usually it's Saturday, Sunday, about the same time as the stream starts.
Either, but no, I'll do that now. And then no one can complain at me for not doing it.
Yep. Yeah, but the wide can't go, I didn't know you were streaming, because you say, well, I scheduled it wide, so, you know.
Yeah.
Also, if in doubt, you can join the Discord server, link down below, and you can ask him if he's streaming tomorrow or not. Or streaming Saturday or Sunday, and I'm sure he'll answer you. Okay.
Okay, there we go. Scheduled tomorrow's stream as well.
Are you streaming at the weekend? Next weekend?
Probably.
Okay. Unless
Almost certainly.
the roof has caused a massive hole in the roof, or unless it rains and floods your entire setup.
But it's been raining
That would never happen.
the whole time.
Yeah, it's been quite wet for us as well, actually. Anyway, how do I add a percentage S and then actually make it work?
But oh my god. Friggin.
Fine, I'll follow you. But I tried going into the other one, but I don't understand.
Look.
Oh, that reporter. I see. Okay, you didn't say that, bro.
Yeah, because okay. Let's go.
So the syntax node. So what is this reporting when it reports to the syntax node? Oh, the message args. So then, is it in order?
Yeah.
Oh god, how am I going to do this? So is it just the node? Well, isn't it just the node though? Because the node is just the text,
Yeah.
right? So it's just the node.
Yeah.
The node twice. Why are you expression expected?
Yeah, your IntelliJ is broken, bro.
Oh,
Don't worry
never mind,
about
it fixed itself. It fixed itself, it's fine. So, and then I go,
Cool.
wait, actually, what did IntelliJ say? I don't remember. Where did I use question mark? I forgot. Oh my god, now it's showing me like really unhelpful results. Why can't it show me like what it showed me before, which was helpful? Oh, that's why. Two different things. Okay.
Okay, there we go. I also get rid of this because that doesn't need to be there. Gotta hate not having Copilot, bro.
Oh,
Saves
it says.
so much time.
Oh, it says with identical branches. So it's. I need to add. Okay, I can do that. I also don't want to break it for the future, so let's give it that back.
There you go.
There you go. I've just copied what IntelliJ does. And okay, so you've done what I've done, so I don't need to question what you've just done because it's what I did. It's just what you'll eventually be fixing and making it do automatically, which is adding it to that big file, which is the registry. Registries, I mean. Okay, so show me the code. Show me you coding it then.
But that's literally what I'm doing.
I can't lie, when I said that, your stream was delayed, which is why I said that. So you didn't
But
even
my
have the
stream is
file.
always going to be delayed.
Yeah, well, I'm looking at the stream to see what you were saying.
Your PC is actually dying.
Yeah, it is. Just keep going, it's fine.
But I can't keep going until it errors.
Well, then why don't you just manually write the methods?
Oh my god. Bro, we're not in friggin' 1914.
Okay, does Railroad let you import the methods?
No, but Railroad isn't meant to be used yet.
Well, I don't know. He's making them himself.
Yes.
He's having to do tough, hard manual labor. Isn't this so sad?
Yes, it is. I'll have you know.
Oh my god, literally none of the methods though suddenly it's highlighting.
Because your PC is shit. It's probably because you're friggin' following me, bro. You stop following me, I'll fix it.
Fine, I've stopped following you. Has it fixed it?
No. But at least you stop following me. So.
You know, fine. I will import the product again, and then maybe it'll fix itself. Nope, it hasn't. Okay. Don't know why. Will Railroad have these bugs, Ryan?
Hopefully not.
Railroad would be perfect, won't it?
Yep.
Yep. This product is open to contribute. It's on as a GitHub somewhere. I don't know where. Should I link the GitHub? Let me get the GitHub.
Yep. You'd be
useful.
useful.
Be helpful. Yeah, it can be useful. Because if you type in Railroad, there are like a bajillion responses. Railroad IDE, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, I will link you the repo.
Bro.
There you go. There's the GitHub link.
I need my friggin' error highlighting, bro. I don't know if I'm making errors or not.
I'm sure you won't, because you're a good programmer, right?
Okay.
You're a smart guy. Also, it's fine, because when you compile it, it'll show you the errors anyway.
Yes, but I don't want to have to friggin' compile it just to see the errors. That's ridiculous. I will.
You should.
Yes, but then
You
it's
should
gonna
get
Oh, it's because of this. What is this? Get out of here. Is that why?
Because of what? Because of what?
That was why.
What happened? What happened?
Still some friggin' text in the middle of.
Okay. Well, we fixed it now anyway, so you can stop complaining now.
Yes, thank fuck.
Bro, PG friendly stream right here, let's go.
Nope.
Damn.
Now it's just stopped working again. Lovely. This is great. But I don't know what I meant to put in here.
You should add like an exclamation mark GitHub command for your chatbot thing so that it can paste the GitHub link.
Okay, what do I put in here? I do Java something rules something. Yeah, this one. Okay. Okay, you realize how boring this is, right?
You'd be doing this if you were doing an inspection.
No, I wouldn't,
Oh, no,
because
you'd be using
Copilot would do this for me. So I wouldn't be wasting my time writing out these stupid ass lines. I can't because I'm in your IDE, bro.
Oh, but can your client not do it?
No.
That's cringe. It should just be able to do it and send it to my IDE.
Hey, finally, fucking errors. And they're gone again.
He's such a complainer, isn't he, chat?
Bro, this is stupid. This is friggin' 1914. We're in 2026 for a reason, bro. So we don't have to deal with this shit anymore.
What if your company didn't let you use Copilot?
Then I wouldn't work at the company. What?
Wait, so the company that you're gonna oh, have you still not heard back from that company yet about the job?
What?
because my mum's been wondering, you know, if you've heard back yet.
Okay, bro.
And I told her that I told her I'd tell her when you hear back. You hear back?
Okay, what's...
Damn, was ignoring me.
Yeah, because you're freaking distracting me, bro.
Okay. Fine, I'll ask it later when you're not streaming.
Good. Bro, you're gonna make me end the stream at this rate. Okay.
But yeah, I mean, Ryan had said this, but I mean, if you want to help contribute, then it would be always useful for you to help with some of these inspections if you can, or with anything else, because there are a lot of inspections to do. And I mean, he's hoping that some of the starter ones some other people will do, so they can do the harder ones on the stream, and then some other people who maybe aren't as good at programming can then do some of the easier ones, which then means it doesn't have to waste time doing the easy ones. Is the hope. It's like
Okay,
you
I
guys
can't
get
do
music. I'm
this.
just sitting here in
This
silence.
is ridiculous. This is actually insane. Like, what? I'm just doing it in my IntelliJ. I'm not faffing around in yours.
Okay, fine. Well, I can watch the stream and then I can ask questions while the stream's going.
But I can't copy between the... Oh my god.
Wait, why can't you? Can you not just Control-C, Control-V?
No, because fucking it's shittily coded. Like, what? Or... I actually hate this. I'm gonna go insane.
It's fixed itself now, by the way.
Temporarily, yes. And then it'll break the next 2 seconds. Hello, can we import, please? Quicker?
Bro, you actually have no patience now. What has happened?
But I just don't have
Trying to
time
code-
for it to faff around not working. Also, I can't delete stuff in yours, so you're just gonna have to fix them.
You should be able to. You have full access. I mean, it could be a Linux thing as well. I can't lie. It could be a cross-platform issue.
Okay, wait, no, these are your ones. I don't want those ones. I want these ones.
But you need to PR, man. You need to make a PR. You haven't updated your actual repo in like 4 months. Like, it's actually
What?
crazy.
What are you on about? I literally updated it like a week ago.
Oh, did you PR the main repo?
What? Bro, the main repo... How do you think you're writing inspections right now? What?
Well, yeah, I know, but this SC thing hasn't been updated. Oh, I guess it was last month. Oh, 3 weeks ago. Okay, fine.
Bro, you're actually crazy. Like, genuinely insane.
No. Okay. I mean, okay, well, could you screen share the code then? So I can at least watch it and not have to watch it on your stream and be 10 hours late.
It's like barely delayed.
Okay. Or is it, okay, would it be like as if I'm typing in chat going like, hey, what does this do? But every 5, but in
Oh god, fine, I'll screen share. You're being so annoying, you know.
Okay. No, but okay. No, but I wasn't saying that as a way to try to get you to screen share. That wasn't what I was trying to do. I can hear the music now. Okay.
Me when I lie.
Not a new thing. What do you? What? Me being annoying is not a new thing? Why? That's so kind of you. That's so kind, Wide.
Yeah, Wide's right.
Such a kind
W
soul.
Wide.
Wide for mayor. Wide for admin. Okay.
Wide already is admin.
Well, yeah, but like, so am I. Oh wait,
No, you're
I'm
not.
not. I forgot. I forgot.
Right. Get some peace and quiet in mod chat.
Can I have mod back, please?
Nope.
Where is he? Okay, so what are you doing now then? Right, so
I'm
so what is
writing the
big...
inspection.
Alright, so what is a big decimal then?
A decimal that's pretty big.
Oh, is it like a big int? But a decimal.
Yes.
So it's like a Okay, but what actually is a big decimal or big int? Like, what is it?
It's an infinitely large integer or decimal.
Infinitely large.
Yeah. Oh well.
So,
As much
so it's
RAM
like
as your PC has.
so it's like an array list that stores values of a decimal or list, I guess.
Yeah, kind of.
Wait, so a list is ones where you can do dot add, and right, and an array is where you have to do dot. You have to assign a value, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I got that around. Let's go. I'm learning, guys. Okay, so what are you doing now? So you're check. Oh, so you're.
Hey,
Okay,
why
we
do
don't
I
right now.
not have syntax highlighting? What is happening?
Maybe it's your ID that's broken, bro, rather than mine. Or it's maybe about my ID.
No,
being
because it
broken.
wasn't working in yours.
And now it's not working in yours. Maybe it's something that actually in the code that's making it break.
Wait, there's nothing here.
Why don't you ask to
So what
pick
is
up my
that?
man Copilot and be like, yo.
Oh, I'm in yours. Bro, I'm still in yours. Get me out of here. Get me out of here. You can fix it in yours. Wait, have I been doing like all of that in yours? I bet I have, because I'm stupid.
So silly.
Why is this complaining? Probably getting core big decimal equals inspection. Core big decimal equals inspection. What? What?
We just copy and paste it. Oh my god.
But it's exactly the same.
But obviously not.
It literally is. I don't think that changed anything. But okay. Right, now I have to do this again then.
Okay, well, why don't you walk us through what you're doing while you're writing it?
But because everyone knows what this stuff is.
Okay, but I don't know what the stuff is, so why don't you
But
walk
you
me through it?
literally wrote this. What do you mean?
I know. Okay, well, what are we looking for? We're looking for big decimals, yeah?
Yeah.
Why are we looking for method indication expressions?
Because we're looking for big decimal dot equals. Well, not literally like that, of course, but you know.
Imagine if when Lone Wolf comes online. It's crazy.
It's called Steam.
It matters in time when this one comes online.
Kill issue. Okay, I'm actually turning Copilot off because it's just wrong. Like, it's just blatantly not correct. So, I'll just do this myself.
Okay, so can you please walk me through what you're doing? That's the whole point of this.
But you can read it.
Yeah, so you're checking if it's a named method invocation expression. Oh, no, you're checking if the name is equals
Yeah.
of the method invocation.
Yeah.
Okay, but what are you checking for? You're not anything what the check is. You didn't even show me the test cases.
Oh my god, fine. I'll show you the freaking test cases then.
Yeah, good.
Where are... Okay, they're in here. Wait, did I not add the test cases? Oh my god, I also copied the test cases into yours as well. Bro, this is ridiculous.
Yeah, but Claude has higher usage on Copilot. So you get
Claude
less usage.
is bad.
From my experience, Claude is better, but Copilot has you can use Claude less before you run out of usage. It's like each request counts as more usage than GPT.
Yeah, those are test cases. Oh, I can't send you them. But you literally have them in yours because I didn't, because I copied them into yours instead of mine. So you can read them.
Where did you put them in mine? What?
In the test class.
Bro, they are not there.
Oh, maybe I did remove them then.
Okay. Can you show me them, please?
Bro, oh my god, I literally just opened them and showed them.
Okay, so...
If you paid attention, you would see.
Boolean same. Oh, you're checking if they're the same?
Yes.
What? No, but what does the inspection error? Like, what does it say?
Wait, why is that not that?
Okay, but what does the actual thing say, though? Like, what does the error say?
But
Like,
the error, oh my god. But have some friggin' patience.
Okay, I think you're the one who's getting impatient. I can't lie.
But you're the one saying, okay.
Is scale sensitive? Consider compared to. What does that mean?
It's scale sensitive, so consider compare to.
So you're basically just okay. So it's kind of like saying double equals with two strings. You're saying don't do that as bad. Like dot equals between two big decimals is bad. Okay,
Sure.
so we're just checking if the method after the big decimal is equals. What if we do objects dot equals?
Nope.
That's allowed?
Not allowed.
Damn. That's crazy. It was so weird seeing you do dot four at the end and it just magically put into a for loop. It's crazy. It was really weird.
Why is that weird?
Because I've never done that before.
Where? What do I need to do? I need to get the argument list, don't I? So. Yeah, that's the argument.
Okay, so what's the first argument?
What do you mean, what's the first argument?
Or are you doing arguments of the equals method? Wait, is that for... Oh, because you're doing... Oh, because... Wait, so are you doing, like, big decimal dot equals, or are you doing objects dot equals?
No, I'm doing big decimal dot equals.
So the first argument is the... Wait, but isn't the only argument? Because you wouldn't have multiple equals. You wouldn't have multiple things in the dot equals.
Okay, but you could.
You could?
Sure.
You
Why not?
You can check if one big decimal is equal to two others. What?
Okay, but there can be different children in the friggin' thing, so...
Okay.
Because an argument list could have other things in there, but you could have trivia in there, you could have... I don't know.
Comments.
Yeah, well, comments are trivia, but yes.
Oh, yeah.
So...
Wait, but doesn't it get the bit before the comma?
What?
If you guys had to view/read the entire project from scratch, what do you mean read or view? Like, go through the entire thing?
That would take you a very long time. Don't recommend that.
Yeah. I'm guessing it's a big project. Or you could go back and watch all his VODs and then you find out what the project is.
Here, look, watch and learn.
Oh, he's calculating the cost. There you go. There you go.
3.6 mil. I'm rich, guys.
That's so much of it.
Okay, but look, no, there's 120,000 lines of code. Java lines of code. So, I mean, yeah, if you take out blanks and comments, so, okay, there's 86,363 lines of code, which is still like a lot. That'll take you a long time to go through.
How many hours?
A long time.
A few days, you think?
Probably multiple weeks. Well, it depends if you just want to read it or if you want to understand it. Because those are different things.
If I want to understand it, it would take me years. It depends.
Well, yeah. Good luck.
I'll be dead before I understood it all.
Possibly.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, so we want to check if the symbol is a method or not. So obviously if it's not, is it just kind? Just kind dot method, isn't it? No, it's the other kind. It's not that one. It's the Java kind, which I actually... Oh no, it's not. It's... Wait, is it? Symbol kind. Oh, right, okay. I hate that. There's so many different things. Yeah, okay. So if that's not a method, then we continue. And then... Yeah, then I just need to get the owner.
Okay, so what is this? What is that? What is that chunk of code doing below the symbol bit?
What do you mean?
Okay, but what is it doing? Like in short, like
What's
it doing?
what doing?
Symbol equals context dot resolve symbol. and then the if symbol equals null, and if symbol dot kind equals symbol dot kind method.
But it's just figuring out what the invocation is.
Oh, what's it being called on?
Yeah. Because you could invoke, you know, an array.
Oh,
you could invoke.
Oh, are you saying what method is being invoked, or are you saying what is it being invoked on?
No, what is being invoked.
Oh. You can invoke different things?
Yeah. Why not?
Do you mean that's the bit after the dot?
Yeah.
So you're checking if it's actually a method. Which makes sense. Because then...
Yes.
Because then if it's not a method... Yeah, that makes sense. Then you don't need to check what method it is if it's not a method.
Owner. And hopefully that will be, of course, is that optional? Yeah.
Do you know what this has taught me, Ryan? Is that to make code good, you always have to check the most simplest thing you can check over and over again before checking the most complex bit. Because the sooner you find that it's not, you say it's not. Because then that's better. Which is interesting. Because I'd always just check the most complicated thing first and write less lines of code. But obviously, you're talking about efficiency here. Not just does it work, it's about how efficient it is. And to make it more efficient, you've got to check, you know, alright then. Is there something after it? Yes. What is it after it? Is it a method? Yes. Alright. What type of method is it? Is it this type of method? Yes. Alright. You know, and every single step of the way.
Yeah. Yeah. Or expression, I guess. I don't know. And then the syntax. No. Nope. Expression. Hello.
Okay, what does that method do? What is it going to do?
Well, it's gonna get the name from the expression. The type from the expression.
So is that checking if it's
the inferred type of the end. Yeah.
Is that if it's a big decimal?
Yeah.
Wait, which part? Is that the bit in the equals you're checking, or is that the bit before the dot that you're checking?
No, it's gonna be the argument. So what's inside of the dot equals?
If it's not a big decimal, then it's fine.
Yeah.
Okay.
Could just do, yeah. I remember doing this like 500 times. And then.
Okay, why are you? Oh, I see. So you're saying if the inferred type is. Okay.
Unknown.
So you get okay.
Then.
So what is the unknown bit?
Well, it means it can't infer the type.
When would that ever happen?
Well, in some like very complex generics, you might have that. Maybe.
When am I going to learn generics?
Hopefully never. That day scares me.
Okay. When I come to you and go, hey Ryan, why isn't my code working? You see me generics, and you're like, never mind, figure it out yourself.
Yep, I'll run away.
Okay. You'll leave the country.
Yeah.
Damn. Probably gonna fly to the moon to get away from that.
And then I can just copy this.
Is there not any easier way? Easier way for what? What do you mean? Oh, never mind. That's 5 minutes ago. Ignore me. I was just reading chat. Is there not any other easier way? What, to read the entire project? What? Okay, are you asking about helping? Like what context are you asking about easier way?
I mean, to help, you don't need to read the entire project.
Yeah,
I promise you that.
Yeah. I don't know how how 99% of the project works. I worked a little bit on themes. I've forgotten how that works. I don't remember what I did for that. Did a little bit on markdown viewing. Don't remember that. Like, you don't need to know basically any of that. You know, I did markdown viewing without knowing how any of the semantics or anything worked, didn't I? Like,
Yeah.
it depends what you want to do. I mean, as I was saying earlier, I mean, if you just want to help with inspections, you just need to look at the other inspections, see how they work, and you can probably figure out how it works. Like, I don't know how most of the code works, and I managed to write an inspection. So, like, you don't need to know the entire code base to do that. And we've got a list as well with the different difficulties, so you just find an easier one, maybe to start off with, maybe start with the starter one or whatever, and just to get the gist of how you lay it out, like what he's adding now. You've got to add that multiple times in different places, that kind of thing. But I mean, if you look at the other examples, you can figure out what you need to do. So
I'm going to simplify this and direct things soon anyways.
yeah, so you won't have to do it. But, you know. But like with a lot of things, if you start with something that's really easy to do, and then figure out how to do it, then you can do the harder ones.
Okay, I think I'm done. Oh, I know what I am missing actually. I'm all the way up here.
You know, it's pretty cool being able to answer chat without being worried that you've already answered it because you've read it before and this today. It's quite nice.
Sure.
Because I know at times that I'm like, you know what, no, I'm not going to answer it for him because A, I'm answering it for him, which feels a bit bad, and B, if he answers it in a second anyway, what's the point? But I mean, the only time when I do that is if you've already answered, but I want to add something to your answer, then I might also type something, but like rarely. Or if someone asks a question, I can just enter in the command and it does it, that's fine.
Let's test it. How do I do that? I can, oh, yeah,
Just one test, man.
But that's what I'm doing.
Come on, chop chop. I don't have all evening.
It failed.
Oh, one test failed. What did you do wrong?
Oh, it's like... Wait, what happened? Syntax tree dump? What? What the fuck?
Yeah, why is that error? I didn't error before. What have you done? Or are you just trying to run it again and hope that it works? You don't change anything in there though. I don't know what is broken.
Actual.
What do you debug the test and run the test?
But because I don't even know what this test is.
You didn't write it.
Probably. I don't remember.
That's the problem, bro. Stuff you don't write, you don't know. So then when it breaks, you don't know how to fix it.
Okay, but
Hey, package was delivered. Heck yeah. It's very high.
Java compilation unit. EOF bit was Java compilation unit. What's even the difference? These are exactly the same. Am I crazy? But they're literally the same.
It's the weekend, so I'm not going to answer.
Wait, if I can do this. Okay. Here we go. But they're the same.
The line at the bottom, probably.
Bro, no way that's it.
But that wouldn't cause an error, would it?
Oh, contents have differences only in line separators.
So I am right.
So it's not an issue then, is it? Like what? Okay, let me go to this file. Can I find... Yeah. So is this... But it is CRLF.
You're saying words that don't mean a thing, by the way.
Try doing that.
Where have I been pinged? Oh, that's not nothing. Okay.
Right, okay, I'm just gonna ignore it because it's like it's not an issue. I can just run this individual test anyways.
Also, I had a thought. Have you got something in place for inspections which depends on a Java feature which wasn't added into a specific version, if you get what I mean? So is that like features that... Yeah, I think I get what you mean. But do you understand? I understand. I think he's corrected.
Oh, Wide was saying that. I thought you were saying that. I was so confused.
No,
That is a
I
good
was just
question,
reading
White.
what
I
Wide
haven't
said.
actually done that yet.
I
So
was reading what Wide said. I didn't think you.
currently, this entire SST assumes you're on Java 25, and if you're not, it's just not gonna work.
Did you think that I was just
so-
ultra smart? That I was just really smart.
Yeah.
Oh.
So yeah, I need to add some kind of rules. I don't know how I'm gonna do that.
Could you not tag certain inspections in the registry for different versions?
No, bro, the entire AST uses
Oh.
Java 25.
So how are you going to make it work for other Java versions?
Well, I will just have to have a bunch of if checks and stuff.
Oh my god, that's going to be so much pain. Well, it's so sad. If you thought I was smart and then realized I wasn't, it's so tragic.
Either that, or I just duplicate the entire SST and have one for each Java version.
Is that inefficient, or is that just?
It wouldn't be inefficient, but it would mean there's a shit ton of duplicate code.
Ah well,
like thousands of lines of duplicate code.
Who cares about duplicate code? I don't care.
It kind of actually is just a much easier solution, I can't even lie.
Okay, but isn't a chain of if statements also bad?
No, not really.
Having if. You have to have like if else's for like every single thing, right?
Okay, but you're
If
just
Java
checking
version
against a constant, so it's like meaningless.
Well, you should probably do that, right? Because else you'll probably find it bad, and you'll probably get annoyed at yourself for it not being like that, and you'll change it anyway. You should probably just do that.
Right, doing that now is not going to save any time over doing that later. It's already been written. The entire system is already written. Like, it's not...
Yeah, but you're just putting it off at this point.
No, I just have more important things to worry about than supporting like Java -56.
Sure.
Like, it's just not important. Anyways, that works. So that's it, gang. Yeah.
I was thinking you should have got me to done the intro for your live stream, so I could have gone, yeah, what's up, ladies and gentle ladies. It'd been really
because
good.
you would have forgotten my intro.
No, I wouldn't. What is up, ladies and gentle ladies? Welcome back to another radio development. I don't know, bro.
Exactly.
Well, you could have like sent me like a script, and I could have read it out loud, just like how you did that for the intro video all those years ago.
Okay. Well, that is going to be it for this stream, guys. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, give it a like, subscribe, all the usual stuff. Press the bell. I suppose no one presses the bell anymore. That's not a thing people do.
Link below. Join the Discord link down below. If you
join the Discord.
Modding questions.
Yeah.
Also, you know what, Ryan? I have pressed the bell. I am getting notified for every single one of your new videos. Everyone who's watching the stream should also do the same. Boom. There you go.
Lovely. Okay, I will see you all tomorrow. Goodbye.
Goodbye.